Hey everyone, in this video we will view PDF as an images. Okay, a whole PDF as an images just by going previous and next to next pages. And for this purpose we will use a package by the name of React PDF, this package. So to install this, just simply write npm install React PDF. So after installing this, so let's now use it. Okay, I have already created my React app and I will write my code in this file, and I imported this in index.js file. So now let's write now we will import the React PDF. We will import the document and page from React PDF /dash/esm and let's come to the webpack entry.webpack from this page, and now let's write our function. Okay. PDF as image. So first of all I will create two buttons. I will just simply write here class name flex, display flex, and line items center, justify content. It is bootstrap classes. So here I will create two buttons for previous and next, or I will just write that down. Okay, leave it now here. So first I will read the document. To read the document, for that first I will import a file, PDF file. Import PDF file from I have this file in the same directory, React icons, and now I will use this. So to view this, first I will use the document and a property by the name of file, PDF file. After writing this, so now we will display the pages. Let's just display the page. Whenever it loaded, so by loading we will just take the all pages from this on load success. We will just call a function on document success. We will create this function. In this function what we will do, we will just take all pages, the number of pages. Okay, first I will create a state number of pages, set number of pages is equal to use state hook by default null, and also one another state for page number. By default that is the first page that we should read. So now let's create that function on document success. Here we will get number of pages, and we will set number of pages to num of pages. Okay, we will update this number of pages through this property. Okay, prop. So now let's read now the page. And here I will assign page number. Page number would be page number that we have. Okay, this page number. So now first we will read the first page of this PDF, then we will add two buttons for next and previous. npm start, the project will start. So where is the problem? Imported as PDF as image was not found. So let's to the index page. Oh, we didn't export it. Default PDF as image. Loading PDF. See, the first page has displayed to us. Okay, so now let's add 2 buttons at the bottom. So what I have did, I have added just these 2 icons. Okay, let's check it. These 2 icons I have added on the top. Okay, by clicking this one we should go to the next page, and by this we should go to the previous page. So now let's add these events. First I will document it. So let's, by clicking this on click event, we will go previous. We will go previous here, previous page. So let's create this function. Const previous page is equal to so here we will set the page number. Okay, set page number. If the page number was less than or equal to with 1, so then we should put it as page number as 1. Okay, otherwise page number minus 1. And let's add on click event for this second one also. On click next page. So let's const next page is equal to set page number and page number. If the page number was greater than or equal to with the num pages with the last page, so then it will set as page number, otherwise page number plus 1. Let's adjust 1 here. Minus 1 was less than, and if plus 1 was greater or equal to with that. So now let's check it. Let's come here, press this. See, we came to the second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, also the seventh. Come back, we came to the previous, okay, the first page back. So it was all about displaying the PDF as an image in React.js using React PDF package. So if you have liked this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.